Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Remo Commisso, a name tied to organized crime and betrayal. A long time ago, he cooperated with authorities. But people want to know, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Remo Commisso, also called Remo Commisso, was involved with the Commisso Endrina, a powerful mafia group. He was known for carrying out violent tasks, collections, enforcement, and more, and eventually became an informant, secretly working with law enforcement, RCMP, in Canada, in the 1980s. That put him at great personal risk. There were reports of bounties and constant concern for his safety. After Remo agreed to help the authorities, he had to live under witness protection. He testified, gathered evidence with a wire, and effectively contributed to major convictions of mafia leaders, including his own family. Because of the danger he faced, he moved frequently, lives privately, and changed things like license plates, homes, and locations often to avoid attention. Where is Remo Commisso now? As of the latest information, Remo Commisso is no longer publicly active. He is believed to still be alive, but under conditions of regular relocation. He has stepped away from law enforcement protection formally, or at least significantly reduced visible protection, choosing to manage his own safety. He keeps a very low profile, almost entirely out of public view or media. Remo Commisso's life is one of escape, risk, and long shadows. Once deeply embedded in mafia activity, then informant under threat, now largely unheard of. It's a life shaped by survival and secrecy more than any public resolution. What do you think? Is he still safe? Or has his past caught up in ways we don't know? Let me know in the comments.